welcome you to this video once again. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channels. You share, you comment, so that you can always get the latest videos which we do upload every week. Last week we introduced the parts of speech. We looked at all the parts of speech. So today we are going to look at proper nouns specifically. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns these are names of particular people, places, and things. They always begin with a capital letter. For example, people's names are proper nouns. We can take an example. Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali. This is a name of someone, so it is a proper noun. David Beckham. David Beckham is a proper noun. It is a name of a person. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. It is a name of someone, so it is a proper noun. Names of the days of the week and months of the year are also proper nouns. I repeat, names of the days of the week and months of the year are proper nouns. For example, days of the week. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are names of days. They name particular days, so they are proper nouns. I repeat: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And also months of the year. Months of the year, they are also proper nouns. For example, January, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. They are 12 months of the year, and they are proper nouns. So we have to learn that days of the week, months of the year are proper nouns. Names of special days are also proper nouns. Names of special days are also proper nouns. For example, New Year's Day. New Year's Day, it is a proper noun. Mother's Day. Mother's Day, it is a proper noun. Independence Day. Independence Day, it is a proper noun. So we call them special days because these days we always celebrate. We always celebrate on these days. Names of people who live in particular countries are also proper nouns. Names of people who live in particular countries, they are also proper nouns. We can get some few examples here. People who live in Britain, we call them the British. Britain, the British. People who live in China, we call them the Chinese. China, Chinese. People who live in France, we call them the French. People who live in India, they are Indians. They are Indians. We shall get more words as we go on. You can keep on practicing. If you are in a different country, you can get the name of your country and then you ask yourself, how are you called? For instance, if you are from Kenya, it means you are a Kenyan. If you are from Rwanda, then it means you are a Rwandan. Rwandan is a proper noun. Kenyan, proper noun. If you are from Somalia, then you are a Somali. Somali is a proper noun. So what you have to master is that these proper nouns, they always begin with capital letters. Capital letters. Even the special days, you see, we have begun with capital letters. New Year's Day. Okay? Thank you for watching. In our next video, we shall look at singular nouns. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, share, comment, so that you always receive the notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.